On a bus, in a bus, by bus, on a car, in a car, by car. Now, these propositions can be very difficult and they can be quite confusing. So today we are going to look at propositions for transportations. Which one do you use and when do you use them? First, let's take a look at using on. So, we use on for any public transportations, such as on a bus, on a plane, on a train, okay? Or something that we can ride or get on top of it, on a bike, on a motorcycle. Those are some good examples. So let's take a look at an example of using this one. I saw Sandy on the train yesterday. This means that I saw Sandy when I and she were on the train together. Another example is I'm sorry, I can't talk at the moment. I am on the bus. I am just getting on the plane. I will call you when I land. Now, we can also use on foot when we are walking or traveling on foot. That's okay. For example, I am traveling on foot. I will be there in 10 minutes. Now let's take a look at using in. In is used for private transportations. So this can be anything such as a car, in a car, or a taxi, in a taxi, helicopter, in a helicopter, a kayak, in a kayak. Let's have a look at a few examples. I am in the taxi at the moment. I will be there in 5 minutes. Look at John. He is in the kayak. Or, have you ever been in a helicopter? So, we use in for private transportations. Now, what about by? How do we use by? We use by when we are talking about the method of transportations. How you get somewhere. For example, we can say by bus, by taxi, by train, by plane. They are all okay to use. So let's take a look at some of the interesting examples. I go to school by bus. How do you get to work? I go to work by train. We can also use these in the past tense as well. We went to Aswan by boat. We got to the top of the mountain by motorcycle. So you need to use by when you are talking about the method or doing or getting somewhere. So just remember that using on is for public transportations like buses, trains, etc. Using in is for private transportation such as taxis, cars, or helicopters if you have one. And using by is for the method of transportation to somewhere. Thank you very much. See you soon. Goodbye.